Hello Civics students. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial about Finance Park Lesson 3. This is the last Finance Park lesson that you will complete in Civics, and we will prepare next week for our simulation, which will be kind of both classes next week. The second half or second part of class on Tuesday or Wednesday, and the first part of class on Thursday or Friday, and then we'll do a debrief before spring break. So this is the lesson. Everything is shared here. Everything will be shared. You can see that you can open the Google Slides, and I have a few attachments. All right, so if you look at Google Slides, you'll see that the due date is Monday the 22nd, so that we are ready for a simulation on Tuesday if you're in 7th period, or Wednesday if you're in 2nd or 8th. The second slide has the lesson overview, the teacher-led online offline, just like lesson 1. And the teacher-led station is a debit versus credit reading, which I also linked to Google Classroom, and then a cost-benefit analysis posted to Google Classroom. So this is the reading. You can see here that it talks about debit versus credit, and kind of compares the two. And it's a 2-page reading. It's got a couple scenarios, and if you want to write your answers on a sheet of paper, you can do that as you do the 4 scenarios, excuse me. Or you can print this out if you really want to. It's up to you. You can also pause this video and read this to yourself and look at the vocabulary if you'd like. After you read this credit versus debit analysis, you're going to complete this cost-benefit analysis model. There's also a video linked right here that you could watch if you'd like to. That gives you a little explanation, a little bit better when to use credit, when to use debit. And it has a scenario here that you can read at the top, and then list the costs or the negatives and the benefits of the positives, and kind of total them here, and then answer these 2 questions at the bottom. So that will be shared as a copy for each of you. All right, going back to the lesson on slide 4, you're going to see the online station is going to ask you to complete this on-screen presentation about from Finance Park. And this is about financial decisions. And you're really going to compare 2 things, opportunity cost with choice. So you can complete it here, and you hit the start button.
In this module, you will learn about the benefits of saving money and financial planning. You will also learn how to manage your money and compare options for saving and investing.
Okay, so that gives you, what's going to be. You hit the next button, and you continue through the video. And then there's this Google form that's posted, and it asks you a few questions about comparing opportunity cost with choice. And you just answer those questions. Won't take you too long. And then the last part is the offline station, which includes kind of the debrief as well. And again, there's the objective. You're going to take out a sheet of paper, and you're going to do a mind map, which looks like this kind of image at the right. The title in the middle, and then a bunch of webs around it, and then webs off of those webs. So what you're going to write in the middle of it is, what choices do financially responsible citizens make, and what are the opportunity costs? So the choices that you make are the things that you do. The opportunity costs are the things that you give up when you make choices. So you can kind of do some webs off of that, and kind of make a nice mind map. And then the last part of the lesson is going to be to kind of take a picture of that and upload it to this Padlet page. So you can, again, log in first here, and then click your mind map, and you can add an image by doing the same kind of thing. What choices do they make? What opportunity costs? Complete a mind map on the question. Share a picture of it here. You can add the picture. You can use your phone to take a picture. You can upload a screenshot of that of your screen if you're doing it digitally. There's a lot of different ways that you can do that. And if you need troubleshooting questions with Padlet, just let me know, and I'll help you out. I think this will be kind of a cool activity to kind of debrief, and we'll talk about that at the beginning of class on Tuesday the 23rd or Wednesday the 24th. And that'll be lesson 3. So it's all about credit, debit, opportunity cost, and choice. And again, it's due on the 22nd. And if you have any questions about that, just let me know. And everything will be posted again to Google Classroom, including this video, which I'll add right here. Thank you.